Here are 9 healthy ways to eat oats without using milk. 1. Overnight oats with yogurt. Swap milk for plain Greek yogurt. Mix oats, yogurt, and your favorite toppings like berries, chia seeds, and a bit of honey. Let it sit overnight in the fridge. 2. Oatmeal with water. Cook oats in water and flavor with fruits, nuts, cinnamon, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Adding banana or apples while cooking makes it creamy. 3. Oat smoothie bowl. Blend oats with water or fruit juice, then top with nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit for a smoothie-style breakfast bowl. 4. Savory oatmeal. Cook oats in vegetable broth and top with sauteed veggies, a poached egg, avocado, and seasoning like black pepper or nutritional yeast for a savory twist. 5. Baked oatmeal. Combine oats, eggs, mashed banana or applesauce, and some baking powder. Bake in the oven with nuts, berries, and spices for a hearty, cake-like breakfast. 6. Oat pancakes. Blend oats with eggs and a banana to create a simple pancake batter. Fry and top with fruit or nut butter for a filling breakfast. 7. Oat porridge with coconut water for a tropical twist. Cook your oats in coconut water. Add shredded coconut, pineapple chunks, or other tropical fruits for extra flavor. 8. Oat parfait. Layer oats with a mix of yogurt or plant-based yogurt, fruit, and granola to make a parfait. It's perfect for a quick, no-cook breakfast. 9. Oat bars or energy by Mix oats with nut butter, honey, seeds, and dried fruit. Press into a pan for bars or roll into balls for easy grab-and-go energy bites. These options are nutritious, and most can be prepared in advance.